Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stream on Instagram with OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. YellowDuck is a third-party tool that allows users to stream from OBS to Instagram Live. Here's a general guide on how to use YellowDuck to stream on Instagram with OBS. Firstly, make sure you have YellowDuck installed on your PC. Once you have these, then launch OBS on your PC. Then on Sources, right-click on it, then hit Add. Choose to hit on Video Capture Device. Hit OK. Then choose your webcam. Then hit OK. Arrange the frame size. Now, go to Settings, Stream, and now open the YellowDuck application on your PC. In YellowDuck, log into your Instagram account. YellowDuck will request permission to access your Instagram account. Once logged in, YellowDuck will provide you with an RTMP URL on stream key. Go back to OBS to enter the RTMP URL on stream key provided by YellowDuck. Click on Start Streaming in OBS. Return to YellowDuck and click on the Go Live button. Check your Instagram account to verify that the stream is live. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.